Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love easy wardrobe pieces that are going to totally elevate my look, whether I'm dressing up for a night out or I just want to look super cute throughout the day. This top is so perfect to pair with so many different looks in my wardrobe.
This satin cowl neck top is by Wantschun, and I have it here in a size small in the color champagne. And I really, really love this top. First of all, I think the cowl neck lays so perfectly. It's very easy. You can adjust it as you like and kind of position it as you like, but it looks so beautiful and elegant. Such a simple design, but it looks nice with so many different outfits. This sits kind of around my hips and it's a little bit stretchy, so if you want to wear it tucked out, it's very comfortable. I appreciate too that even though I have it in the champagne light color, it's not see-through, so you can see the material is a very light but a nice thickness so that it is not see-through at all. And I also love that it does have like a little built-in extra layer, a little shelf as well inside the top. So it is really, really well made. This looks so cute with so many different styles. I love it tucked in with a super cute skirt, but again, it does look nice tucked out as well. Looks great with a pair of shorts, super cute with a jacket. There's so many ways to style this top, and it is so incredibly elegant.
So if you are looking for the perfect, elegant, comfy, classy top that's going to look good with so many different things, I highly recommend checking out this one. I am so happy with it, but that's just my point of view.